Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you use a razor blade inside of your oven. You're going to love this if you love all natural cleaning and you like to work smarter rather than harder. All you're going to need for this is a warm washcloth, which is a little bit of water on it, and then dun dun dun, a good old razor blade. I do have these linked in my Amazon store in case you're interested. What you want to do is wet your surface. Look at how bad this is. This is my parents' oven right here. You're gonna get this nice and wet, and then you're just gonna watch how easily this works. You will never have to scrub your oven door again. Watch. Get down in there with your razor blade, and this will get all the crud up. Watch, watch, watch. See right there how satisfying that is? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cloth. This is caked on. My friend, I don't know if this has ever been cleaned before. Look at this. Ooh. You can also do this on your car windshield. You can do this on your glass shower door, in your bathroom. Look at that coming up. So good. This is so bad. Like, look at how sticky this is right here. Oh my word. Can you imagine? I've done the baking soda, I've done the lemon, but it is not cut grease like this. It dries before it actually cuts what it needs to. I'm just gonna show you a little spot right here. Look it in there, we're getting it up. Yes, this is so satisfying. This is almost as satisfying as whitening my whites. I know that seems strange, but I love this. Oh, look at that right there. Look at all that caked on grease. My parents are gonna be so happy. I just did a little bit more right here. Can you see the difference? This is where I did, and this is where I have not done anything. Look at that. Now, to do a little bit extra right here, what you're gonna do, this is where I would take a little baking soda and vinegar and go around the spots that you lifted the grease, just to shine everything up really, really nice. Let's go ahead and wipe this away. Yes, 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 and it smells absolutely amazing. Okay, I have to show you this. Look at that. That is just from, here we go, out of focus, this little section that I did right in here. All that, just from that. Now what you'll find is once you do this method, you may still have some streaks. So I have a video about how to clean the inside, a method that actually works to clean between the glass right here. So I will link that in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up, sign up for the weekly newsletter, which is all things cleaning tips, tricks, and hacks. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.